Oh, it looks good.
It looks good?
It looks really good.
Thank you.
You know, those were used to be tapes.
Yeah, you don't see it anymore. We did the color correction.
I was so sick of that.
You see the bathroom?
Oh my gosh, Courtney. Yes, sir. You did amazingly good.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I'm so glad it's a matte.
Yep. Yes. Beautiful finish. Beautiful finish. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is March the 28th. It is a beautiful, beautiful day out here in Tucker, Georgia. So this is actually a Facebook follower, Vahita. She has been following me for years. And she said, Courtney, I knew when it was time to do the floors, I knew who to call. So she called me about 3 weeks ago, actually, when I took a little vacation. And I told her to send me pictures. And she said, you know what, Courtney? I'll just go ahead and pay for the consultation. So she paid for her consultation fee. I came out here, I met her husband, gave them a price. Later that day, they accepted the estimate, booked on the spot. And what we're gonna be doing today is a little bit over 1,000 square feet of screen and recoating with UV cure. They're going with a satin finish, a little color correction, and also I think it's like 15 stairs. And then after this, I have another client in Roswell, Miss Terry Brown. I did her floors about a month ago. She was so happy with the results. She have us coming back today to do about 32 stairs, screen and recoat. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. Guys, so it is a beautiful day here in Tucker, Georgia. Also, my international student, Jules, he's back for day 3 because he's leaving tomorrow to go back to London. So he's hanging out with us today. And then I also have to go do a consultation in Roswell while we're in the area today. All right, guys, so let me show you what we got going. So as you walk in, we got some color correction. There's Miss Vahita. Been following me for a long time.
Over a year.
Over a year, yes, ma'am. So these are the stairs we're gonna be doing, guys. Here, there's Tavares, there's Jules. Dining room area, which isn't too bad. Tomorrow, let's get up these vents and just put them. Let's put them on the fireplace. Guys, you see like some scuff marks. This is a great candidate for a screen and recoat. So we got the dining room. They just had their kitchen remodeled. A lot of wear through here. There's her husband right there. Beautiful kitchen. All right. All through here, just gonna do right there in front of the washer and dryer, through here. So really this floor, a little color correction right here, not too bad. So the floors are just worn. They don't wanna change the color because if they did, they would have to fully sand the floors. That's what I don't do. The foyer coming to here and then going into here. Little color correction right here. And yeah, guys, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and start doing. Get this floor screened down really good. All right, guys, stay tuned. You're nice and floor. Talk about the stairs. We do. All right, guys. We got a great screening on this floor. Jules is vacuuming. Tavares is about to start cleaning, tacking, and then we're gonna do a little color correction, not much. Like right here in front of this refrigerator, really there, a little bit right there. Alrighty, and then oh yeah, in the bathroom. So really not much. And actually the screening actually did good itself right there, but we're just gonna do a little color correction. All right, guys, we got the rag coat going down. Our next job that we was gonna do for Miss Terry Brown, we just rescheduled her for next Saturday because she said, Courtney, she had some people there doing her garage and it's very limited parking. And one of her neighbors are very picky. And she said, Courtney, she'll call the police on me if you guys park in front of her driveway. So we just pushed her off to next Saturday because we actually have a nice size screen and recoat with UV cure next Saturday in Roswell. So after we put the finish down there, we'll just go to Miss Terry and do her stairs. All right, guys, so we got this finish going down, looking good, looking good. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we just got back. We went and did a consultation. It's going to be a screen and recoat, possibly with UV cure. Just a floor that's just been worn. She has a lot of micro scratches and scuffs like most of the floor. So I'm here with my client. He's just saying how good the floors look. So guys, yes, so look at the stairs, look at the floors. Floors look great, but this is an educational video. We had this area right here. You see right there, when we screened it, and when we clean a floor usually turns dark when you clean it. Well, that area would not budge. Then when I tried to color correct, it would not accept color. So when we came back, you can still see this, okay? And then we have one over here. So this is a mystery to me. Well, it was a mystery to me. And I called a few of my sanding buddies, and my buddy Jason Anders out of Greenville, South Carolina, he explained to us, he said what happened was there was maybe some plastic that was sitting there. Maybe they had a plant and it sat there so long where the chemical side of the plastic basically has bonded into the wood. So the only way to correct this is to basically, they would do a lace sanding where they were just sand this board, this board, this board, and this board, sand them all the way down to, you know, raw wood, restain them and recoat them. But guys, the floors look great. Remember the color correction right here with the tape line. Also here in the bathroom. Look at this, guys. Look at that color. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Floors look amazing. So we're about to get ready to UV cure this floor in about 15-20 minutes. Oh, they look so good. Also here, remember the color correction here? Looks so good. Oh, this floor looks amazing. All right, guys, me and Jules gonna go ahead and get ready to UV cure this floor. Stay tuned. You like it?
I love it.
Love it, okay.
It is unique, you know, big transformation.
Big transformation, yes.
You know, feel smooth now.
Yep.
Yes, you know, so.
And you know the best part?
Yeah.
The two best part. No dust, and we're done in one day.
Well, hey, that's probably it. You know why we called you. You know?
Yep.
Otherwise, you know, you wouldn't be here, or otherwise we wouldn't do it at all.
Yep.
It wasn't like in one day.
If it wasn't one day.
Definitely.
Wow.
You know, this is it. I mean, your reviews, you know, speaking about you, but you doing it like really, really, really good. You know, great. You know, and now we see it. Wow.
Now you see why. I appreciate that, man. Yes, sir.
You're the best, boss.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're the best.